Now, if you're having problems with your sleep number bed and it's not connecting to your Wi-Fi, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. Now, first thing that you may want to do here is you may want to restart your setup. So start by unplugging your sleep number bed's control unit for about a minute. While that's off, go ahead and restart your Wi-Fi router as well. After both are back on, give them a minute to reconnect before trying again. Sometimes a simple power cycle clears temporary connection issues. Next is you want to make sure Bluetooth is working first. Before your bed connects to Wi-Fi, it usually pairs with your phone through Bluetooth. So open the Sleep Number app, stay close to your bed, and look for the Bluetooth pairing option under the smart bed settings. Now once it's actually paired, you'll have an easier time connecting to Wi-Fi. Next is you may want to check your Wi-Fi setup. Sleep Number beds only connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, not the faster 5 GHz band. Now make sure your network uses the right one and that your Wi-Fi name and password don't have special characters. Now, it also helps if your router uses WPA or WPA2 security, since WPA3 only setup sometimes causes some problems. Next is you may need to reconnect through the Sleep Number app. Now you want to open up the Sleep Number app, go to Smart Bed Settings, choose the option to change or connect Wi-Fi, pick your network, enter your password, and wait to confirm. If your network doesn't show up, try moving your router closer to the bed or turn off any heavy network devices nearby. And next is you may want to run a quick system check. Now if it still won't connect, go back to the app, look for the quick system test option. This runs a small diagnostic that helps spot what's wrong. Now you can also try restarting the bed from the app. This refreshes the connection system without unplugging it again. And finally, you may want to adjust your network if needed. If none of that works, the issue might be a router. So some mesh Wi-Fi systems or modern routers mix 2.4 and 5 GHz, confusing smart devices. So try splitting your Wi-Fi bands or using 2.4 GHz extender. Now, if you've tried everything, it's best to contact Sleep Number support. They can check if there's a firmware or hardware issue behind it. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.